Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Fireball. Today's selection is boudin. Now that is a South Louisiana type of sausage. It's a rice, pork, chicken mix. It's one of those things you really don't want to know what's involved in the boudin. But the best way to do this when you're cooking with Fireball, you put it on the grill, you do it a little bit of low and slow, and once it starts to get a little crispy on the outside, it starts to split, start turning up the heat. Once you start turning up the heat, you want to add just a little bit of Fireball. Now that Fireball, once it starts to split, it'll actually soak into the rice and inside the boudin. I know you want to call it boudin or Cajun sausage. It's pronounced boudin. Don't ask me why, it's just what my mom and dad taught me. So put your boudin on the grill, wait for it to get crispy, wait for it to start splitting, and add a little Fireball. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Fireball.